Today we will talk about 20 foods that will clean your arteries naturally and protect you from heart attacks. So we hope you watch this video carefully until the end to know everything properly. It is a fact that heart disease is a #1 killer. One of the main causes for heart attack and stroke are clogged arteries, which can interrupt the blood flow throughout the entire body. There are many factors which can increase the risk of a heart attack, including lack of movement, stress, and unhealthy diet. However, some simple changes in your diet can help you to protect yourself and reduce the risk of heart disease. So we present you some drinks and foods which can help you to keep your arteries free of blockage. Number 1. Salmon. Salmon is considered as the most beneficial food for your heart health. It contains many healthy fatty acids which are naturally present in the fish. They have the ability to reduce and prevent cholesterol, inflammation, and triglyceride levels. Tuna, mackerel, and herring are some other healthy fish which you need to include in your diet. Make sure always to buy organic fish. Number 2. Orange juice. Pure orange juice has many antioxidants which can support healthy blood vessels. Moreover, it can help you to reduce high blood pressure. By drinking 2 glasses of fresh orange juice on a daily basis, you will get the recommended daily dosage of vitamin C, thus providing your body with vitamins and minerals that will have a positive effect on your health. Number 3. Coffee. Many studies proved that drinking 2 to 4 cups of coffee a day will reduce the risk of heart attack by 20%. However, you should be aware of the fact that the excessive consumption of coffee can be harmful to your stomach. Number 4. Nuts. They contain many healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids and unsaturated fats. They are extremely effective for your cholesterol levels, and they have the ability to boost your memory and joints. 1 handful of almonds and walnuts a day and you will see its benefits. Number 5. Persimmon fruit. It has a rich content of fiber and healthy sterols which can reduce the cholesterol levels. Its sweet taste is the reason why they are called divine fruits. You can add this fruit to your salads or cereal. Number 6. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can provide numerous benefits. It will help you to reduce tissue inflammation and prevent overactive fat storage. You can use turmeric as addition to different meals or consume it as a tea. Number 7. Green tea. It has potent calming and energizing properties. This is because green tea contains catechin, a powerful antioxidant which can support the metabolism and reduce the absorption of cholesterol. In order to get its maximum benefits, make sure to drink 1 to 2 cups of green tea a day. Number 8. Cheese. The moderate consumption of cheese can help you to reduce the high cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Number 9. Watermelon. This refreshing fruit will promote the production of nitric oxide and support healthy blood vessels. Make sure to incorporate this amazing fruit in your diet, and you will see its benefits. Number 10. Whole grain. It contains a lot of fiber which can reduce cholesterol and prevent its accumulation in the arteries. Foods which are a rich source of whole grain are oats, whole grain bread, and brown rice. They will help you to break down the already built-up cholesterol. Number 11. Cranberries. Cranberries are a rich source of potassium. The regular consumption of cranberry juice can help you to reduce the bad cholesterol and increase the healthy one. Drinking 2 glasses a day will reduce the risk of heart attack by 40%. Number 12. Seaweed. Seaweed has a rich content of minerals, vitamins, proteins, carotenoids, and antioxidants. The regular consumption of it can help you to regulate the blood pressure and lower the cholesterol levels by 5%. Number 13. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is mostly used as an addition in baked goods and in tea. It can prevent the buildup in the arteries, thus fighting the high cholesterol. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon a day will provide a lot of benefits for your health. Number 14. Pomegranate. This exotic fruit contains a lot of phytochemicals which can naturally promote nitric oxide production, thus improving your circulation. Pomegranate can be used as a great addition to your salads. Number 15. Spinach. Spinach is a rich source of folic acid and potassium, which have the ability to reduce high blood pressure, support muscle tissues, and reduce the risk of heart attacks as well. Number 16. Broccoli. It is abundant with vitamin K. It has the ability to reduce blood pressure and high cholesterol levels. It can be eaten boiled, raw, as a part of a big meal, or as a snack. Number 17. Olive oil. Consuming high-quality olive oil is the secret to good health. If you consume cold-pressed olive oil, you will get healthy fats and reduce the cholesterol levels. Olive oil has the ability to reduce the risk of a heart attack by 41%. Number 18. Asparagus. Asparagus can prevent clogging of veins, inflammation, and reduce high cholesterol levels. You can eat it as a main dish, in a soup, or as a side to noodles or potatoes. Number 19. Blueberries. Blueberries are a great source of potassium. If you drink cranberry juice, you can raise healthy cholesterol levels and low dangerous. Consumption of 2 glasses per day has been shown to reduce the risk of heart attack by up to 40%. Number 20. Avocado. Avocado is known for its health benefits. It contains fats which can promote a healthy balance between the bad and good cholesterol. You can eat it on bread, with eggs, or add it to salads. Hope you find this video helpful. If yes, then please hit the like button below. Make sure you subscribe us, because we post health benefit related video every single day. If you have a request for a video, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Take care, bye.